I'm Tony, and you're in Pop Pop's Workshop. Today I wanted to take a minute to talk about starting out new shops, shop furniture, lumber. With lumber prices what they are, sometimes it's hard for beginning woodworkers or people returning to woodworking to have the lumber necessary when funds are limited. So up on the rack behind me is a lot of board feet of cherry. I happened this last, I think it was February, looking on Facebook Marketplace, great place to look for lumber, locally. And I saw a post about somebody had several cherry boards that they wanted to sell. I think all told I got 14 different boards ranging in widths from 10 inches to 14 and some from 7 feet, some at 9 feet. And I got it all for $200, which was a steal considering I bought a few 3/4 inch boards to do a couple projects early on, and 3-foot boards or 4-foot boards cost me $70 or $80, and so I got all of that, which is 2 inches thick, for $200. So it was a really good deal. I was able to load it in the vehicle and bring it home, and even have a future epoxy project for a hallway table or a sofa table out of one of those boards. It's going to be really nice, but that's a later date when we can afford the epoxy. So that's a great place if you're looking. Facebook Marketplace, great place to find lumber if you're just starting out. Another thing is you need shop furniture, usually cabinets. I've got a lot of stray cans of paint, finishes, acetones, mineral spirits, mineral oil, different things that I would like to have in one place. Right now it's just stocked up on a couple of shelves there in the shop, taking up room. But what we did find on a local buy and sell group, which if you're going to look for tools, shop furniture, anything used, I highly recommend local buy and sell groups for two reasons. One, it's close by to go take a look at it and make sure it's really what you want. And two, you're less likely to get something weird in the mail sent to you that wasn't what you thought it was, or it's not working. You're going to be able to really check it out locally. And generally speaking, people in your local community are just going to be better to deal with, more honest, more willing to make deals because they just want it out of there. So I found this big monster metal cabinet that was advertised as free. And so we immediately took off, because anytime something like that's free, you know what's going to happen. It's going to disappear. So we found this and bought $16 worth of rattle can spray paint, a couple coats of primer, and a coat of sunshine yellow. We thought that would look nice in the shop, so that's what we went with. And it's a metal cabinet, so that's better for some of those things that could cause a fire. So it's going to be a little better, more contained if something drastic happened. But really happy with the way it turned out. We're going to stick it in the corner, keep all of our paints and solvents and things like that in one place. It's going to be much easier for storage, and I'll get some shelf space back for tools, which is pretty important. So those are just a couple of my recommendations, things I found returning to woodworking that were useful, and with lumber prices, very useful for me. So thanks again for watching the video, and remember, you can do this.